Iki Retreat Kairi Murakami. That's the name. Or you can just call it Kairi Murakami. It is a luxury ryokan in Iki Island. In Japanese, it's simply Iki, or you can say Iki Shima or Iki no Shima. And so this is by a company called Oaks, or OKCS. I think it's pronounced Oaks, which has a chain of luxury properties, including one that we've stayed at called Iki Retreat Aonagi, near Matsuyama and Dogo Onsen. Anyways, this is the Kairi Suite, room 301, which is the top category room in this property. So we walk in here. This is 120 square meters in size. It does have free-flowing, straight from the source onsen. And the interesting thing about this particular room at this point in time is that they recently, actually, we are the first guests to stay here. This, for 1 year, they are, this room has a special design because they, the owners collaborated with Kateigaho, which is a renowned publication in Japan that focuses on luxury, high society, as well as just Japanese culture in general, like the arts, clothing like kimonos, interior design, things of that nature. So they, Iki Retreat Kairi Murakami, this particular suite has that aesthetic. So anyways, it's a collaboration with Kateigaho. This is the main living area. And then over here is the tea room, or the Japanese tatami room. And before I get into more details about this room, about Iki. So Iki is in the Sea of Japan, between Japan and Korea. And you can get here by either flying from Fukuoka or Nagasaki, or from a ferry from Hakata or Karatsu. And from here, what we're doing is we're staying here for a few nights, and then take a ferry from here to Tsushima, well renowned from Ghosts of Tsushima, the video game on PlayStation. But it's a historic island that has a long history of trade with the Asia mainland. Ditto for Iki, although Tsushima is closer to continental Asia than Iki Island. Anyway, so this is the main room. Swing around here, some nice artwork. Again, this is the top category room, 120 square meters. This is the bedroom. And so they have some of the Kateigaho publication here. So let me zoom in a little bit. And they have them placed here, some volumes of it. And let me show you here. This is called Kateigaho. So it's about culture, arts, kind of cuisine, design, decor, things of that nature, leisure. And so it's well known in Japan. So if you open this, let me zoom out again. Let me go back. About there. What's that? Okay. So you open this up, and we have all our junk here for the purpose of the video. Down here, you have the robe that you can wear during, throughout the property, walking around, dinner, even including dinner at the restaurant, which I was told 90% of the people do. Here is kind of a pajama style that you can wear it in the room and while you're sleeping. And so there's one for him and her. And this is the case with just about all Ryokan properties, not even luxury ones, but it's just kind of the norm. Okay, so we come around here. You have a small TV here. So this Iki Retreat Kairi Murakami was, the building itself has been around for about 30 years, but in its current iteration from Oaks, the current owner, it was redone and opened 4 years ago. So it's relatively new, big TV. So down here, you have natural spring water. Here you have complimentary drinks in the fridge. So the same type of water. You have beer down below and some juice up above, complimentary. There's nothing in here. So those are the cold drinks. And then let me just close these first. And then over here you have, coffee, tea. Really stylish. You can see from the cups, and the very tasteful, as you can see. There's even Kateigaho ebimen, thinking it's, shrimp. Noodles with shrimp. So that's from Kateigaho branded. And then you have onsen. It is straight from the source. How do I open this? Let's see. All right, so get out here. Wonderful view of the ocean. Kind of a lounge area you can lay back and chill out. This is the hot springs. It is free flowing if you wanted to, but once we were told that the natural hot springs is 70 degrees Celsius, and by the time it gets in the room, it's 60. So what they recommend is that you stop the flow of the onsen, hot spring, about 30 minutes before you get in, to let it cool off a little bit. But if you like it nice and hot, just turn this down. And it is real, straight from the source, hot springs. So it's not temperature regulated. It's just completely unmolested onsen. And you can see that it's the color is a little bit, gold brown. So it does have some special properties. It's high concentration of metallic minerals, as well as it's a little bit salty, and it's supposed to be good for, I forget, they explained the things that it's good for health-wise, but we'll find out later. Anyways, this is the view. Really pretty and tranquil. So Iki, this island, is technically part of Nagasaki Prefecture. So you can come here by, flying in from Nagasaki or Fukuoka, or take a ferry from Fukuoka to Karatsu. Anyways, and then we haven't seen the bathroom. So here's the vanity area. Towels. And then robes, more towels. And then this is the shower and bath. The bath here is not onsen, but I think this won't get much use. And then finally, here's the toilet. Yeah, hello to you too. This will make the ladies happy because there's a specific urinal for men. So you're assured to have a clean toilet. Anyway, so this is the first instance of Iki Retreat Kairi Murakami making this particular design and layout of this room available. It's going to be this way for a year under an agreement with Kateigaho, and we're privileged to be here. Tonight we're going to have a premium kaiseki. Iki is known for its beef, actually, of all things. They just don't make enough of them. They don't have enough cattle, but it's very high quality. And their seafood is second to none. The sea urchin, the abalone, all kinds of fish. So first night is kaiseki. The second night is teppanyaki. So it's if you stay 2 nights, you're not going to have the same thing, or even the same type of thing, even if the dishes aren't a repeat. So, all right. So the Kairi Suite, in collaboration with Kateigaho for a year, at Iki Retreat Kairi Murakami in Iki Island, Nagasaki Prefecture, Japan. Hope you enjoyed it.